Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm taking over MUA's YouTube channel today to create this gorgeous summer look. If you want to know how I created it using all MUA products, all cruelty free and vegan friendly, then keep watching. Okay, skincare and hair rollers are in because we are taking this summer look very seriously, and all the products that I'm going to be using today are from MUA, which are 100% vegan and cruelty free. I'm first going to prime my skin and I'm going to be using their Pro Base Illuminating Primer in Spark. I love this stuff, just wait for the glow. This is perfect for summer. It comes out kind of scary, but see, look, that looks kind of scary, but I promise I'm going to put, once you blend this out, and it feels so soft on the skin too. It's like the perfect base for makeup. Look how glowy my skin is now. I swear this is the best glowy, dewy primer that's affordable on the market. It's the best. And you can even take this down to your whole body and like make your chest and your shoulders pop, you know? Okay, because we want to be summer ready, I'm not going to put any foundation on. So what I'm going to go in with is MUA's new Pro Base Double Shot Under Eye Brightener in Light. And I'm going to put this under my eyes and I promise you it's going to look like you've had all the sleep in the world. So we're just going to put a little bit here and here. And I'll just do one side so you can see the difference. You do only need a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. She's bright. Look at the difference. Beautiful. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a cream bronzer. I've got the shade Caramel. And what you don't want to do is go in with this and then go straight on your face. Use the lid just to dab off any excess in there and then go in with it. And it kind of like buffs the brush as well. Ooh, gorge. And I'm also going to take this where the sun would normally hit. So maybe like around my forehead. Maybe just in the crease of my eye, and then also on the jaw, just so we're snatched. This product is perfect for on the go. This is their new beauty balms, and I've got the shade Berry Blush, and we're just gonna, ooh, gorge. A little bit here, and also a little bit on the nose. I can blend that out with my finger. Okay, we are looking very dewy, if I do say so myself. So I'm just going to go in with one of their pressed powders, and this is in the shade 120. And again, not too much, but obviously before we put any powder on, we don't want that powder to stick. So we're just going to very lightly go over cheeks and maybe a little bit on the forehead, just to matte this down, just a smidge. And then also this is going to set all of our cream products. So now we can go on to powder products. This is the powder bronzer that I'm going to be using, and this is in the shade Sunset Tan. And then also from MUA, I have this like angled brush, which is perfect for bronzing. So I'm just going to go back where we were before. And then again, taking this bronzer just a little bit over the lids, just to really bring the look together. And as you can see, we're going for a really bronzy look here because it's summer. And I want to be bronzed. Also with that bronzer, I'm just going to contour my nose just ever so slightly, just at the top here. And then also another little tip that you can do with your bronzer is just take it underneath the eye. And especially if you have light eyes, this really makes them pop. Okay, I need to fill in my brows, so I'm just going to zoom you in so you can see. Ta-da! And I'm going to be using their Brow Define, and this is in the shade Black, but it really works because I have really dark brows. So I'm only going to go in the sparse areas, and normally that's just underneath, a little bit at the front, and then also just a little bit at the top of the arch. And this isn't like a black that's like really in your face, like it's a very subtle black, so you can see very subtly that it's filled in my brows without making them look too in your face. Ta-da! Now I feel like we need something else on the eyes just to make them pop. So we're going to go in with the Intense Colour Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Russet. I'm just going to line the lid, and rather than it being a black, because it's brown, it's a little bit softer on the eye. And what do we think? A little wing? I think a little wing. And because it's pencil, if you do make a little mistake, you can just... and it makes it perfect. And it's insane, but it works. Also then what you can do with this pencil, just to make it more summer feel, is you can make some faux freckles. and they look cute. We're going to go on to MUA's most underrated product now, and this is their travel eyelash curler. The results from this are insane. Are you kidding me? Lashes are lifted. I think this is the one product that I absolutely recommend to everybody from MUA, because it's literally for everyone. And look how much my lashes are lifted now. That's insane. Also their lip liners, but that's coming up. So for this look, I have the choice of either a black mascara, which is their Amplify Statement Lash, or a brown mascara in volume, and I'm not too sure which. I think because we've done brown liner, I'm going to do a black mascara. This brush is very similar to a more expensive option. We're just going to let the mascara do the talking. Okay, so that's just one coat on the top lashes. And the reason why I love this mascara so much is because it is very natural. There's no clumps. It's just your lashes, but better. I feel like mascara on the bottom lash is very controversial, but I love it. I have just gone in with a second coat on the top lash, and I love it. And them lashes now. That's insane. I'm gonna zoom you back out. Set my face with the same powder that we used before, just because for me I'm just looking a little bit too dewy. Okay, we do need to go in with a powder blush, so I'm going to go in with Dusky Rose. This is such a gorgeous colour. And I'm going to get lots on my brush and then use the lid just to tap off any excess, and then just tap. Ooh, look at that pink cheek. I love this colour from MUA. A little bit on the nose as well. Gorgeous. Okay, time for my favourite part, lips. I'm going to line my lips with, of course, Obsession. This is my favourite. If you follow me, you'll know I always use Obsession. It's my favourite lip liner. It lasts. It's the perfect colour for me. I love it. I also like to overline my lips just ever so slightly. And this is a really creamy formula, so it like moves with you and then it like sets. Okay, and then I'm just gonna buff that out with my finger. Ooh, I love it. Some more MUA products I'm absolutely obsessed with is their matte lipsticks. This one's in the shade Heroic and it's gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm a dabber, I don't swipe, I just like to dab. Dab, dab, dab. Tell me that's not the perfect lip combo. I'm pretty sure MUA lip liners are like £3, so this combo is probably less than a tenner, which is amazing. And then to finish the look, I'm just going to use Glow Dewy Fixing Spray. Ooh. And let me just take out my rollers and I'll be right back with the completed look. The hair rollers are out, oh my god. I feel like this is such a gorgeous staple summer look. It didn't take me that long. You can definitely pack all the goodies in your suitcase and it won't take up too much room. And it won't be too expensive either, because MUA is super affordable. I hope you like this look and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.